This might be the best budget-priced USB audio interface on Amazon. Today we're unboxing the Behringer U Phoria UMC22 audio interface. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. I'm Radio Zane, and today we're looking at the Behringer UMC22. This is a budget-priced USB audio interface that typically goes for around $60 US on Amazon. I put a link to it in the description below so you can check out the latest pricing and get some more info on it. But right now, let's open up this box. So you get the Behringer sticker, some manuals, and of course, the audio interface. And on the side here, you're going to have your USB cable. And here's your audio interface. Dual purpose XLR and line input here, which has the Midas preamp. This is your instrument input here, your gain knob for channel 1, which is this one, and your gain knob for the instrument channel. You also have your direct monitor button. This is so when you're playing, you can hear what's directly going into this without the latency of your software. Then you've got your volume output knob. This controls both the headphone output and your output to your monitors or your speakers. And on the back, you have your phantom power on-off switch and where your USB cable plugs into. Now let's jump in and hear what this sounds like. Okay, so I'm now using the Behringer UMC22 to record this part of the video. I have a SHURE SM57 dynamic microphone plugged into a TRITON audio FETHEAD, and that's going directly into the Behringer UMC22, and we have to use the phantom power on the UMC22 to power the FETHEAD. I'm going to now switch to a more budget-friendly microphone, and we'll hear what it sounds like when you have to turn up the gain and push these preamps a little bit. Alright, so this is now the Behringer Ultra Voice XM8500 dynamic mic plugged directly into the Behringer UMC22 USB audio interface. And I've had to really crank up the gain on it. It's almost at full right now, and you can let me know in the comments below if you think it sounds clean or not. I'm now going to do a section where I edit the audio a bit, just so you can hear how good of a sound you can get from a budget microphone and a budget-priced USB audio interface. This is a test of the Behringer UMC22 using the budget-priced Behringer XM8500 dynamic microphone. This audio has been edited. This is a test of the Behringer UMC22 using the budget-priced Behringer XM8500 dynamic microphone. This audio has not been edited. Okay, so this is what the mic input sounds like. Let's hear what it sounds like to record an electric guitar in the instrument input. The budget-priced Behringer UMC22 can give you great results for podcasting, music recording, and even streaming. Which brings me to a question. What type of content will you be using the Behringer UMC22 for? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one where I look at audio recording hardware and software, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.